Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to solve some examples on harmonic conjugate functions. So let us start with the examples. If f of z is a regular function of z, if f of z is a regular function of z, show that dou by dou x of mod f of z, modulus of f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of modulus of f of z whole square is equal to mod f dash z whole square. So to prove this, we know that f of z is a complex number and we can write it as, let f of z is equal to u plus I into p. Then find the second value that we have got f of z. Now you can find the value for mod f of z. So modulus of f of z is equal to, we know that is equal to square root of u square plus p square. And let us say this value is equal to 5. Okay. Now, if to eliminate this root, if you square on both the sides, that implies 5 square is equal to u square plus v square. Now, if you consider root u square plus v square is equal to 5, then what you have to prove, that is mod f of z value is 5 means dou 5 by dou x whole square plus dou 5 by dou y whole square is equal to mod f dash of z whole square. And what is dou 5 by dou x? Dou 5 by dou x, briefly we can write it as 5x. So you have to differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. So we'll write here differentiate partially with respect to x. And if you differentiate partially with respect to x, what is differentiation of 5 square? Differentiation of 5 square is 2/5 into differentiation of 5 with respect to x is 5x, that is equal to differentiation of u square is 2u, and differentiation of u is with respect to x, that is ux, plus differentiation of v square is 2v, and differentiation of v is equal to vx. So in RHS you can take 2 common and this 2 get cancelled with the left hand side too. So we are left with 5 into 5x is equal to, here we are left with u into ux plus v into vx. So this is obtained by differentiating this above equation partially with respect to x. Similarly, if you differentiate partially with respect to y, differentiate partially with respect to y, I'll write directly, you will get 5 into 5y is equal to u into uy plus p into py. Let us say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Now squaring and adding equations 2 and 3. I'll write here squaring and adding equations 2 and 3. If you square equation 2, what you will get? 5 square x. And then if you square equation number 3, only LHS, what you will get? That is 5 square 5y square. And adding means, write down here plus sign. Similarly, then on right hand side, what you will get? In right hand side, we can write it as you have to square this, that you will get ux plus vx square plus similarly uy plus vpy square. And now in LHS, I'll write here. In LHS, you can take this phi square common. If you take phi square outside, here we are left with phi square x plus next phi square y. Here you can take this phi square and phi square common. You can take it outside. Here we are left with phi square x, and here we are left with phi square y. Similarly, right hand side we have to expand by using a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula means a value is ux and b value is vvx. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. I'll write it directly. That is u square x plus b square means p square x plus 2ab means 2 ux px. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, here we can write it as plus by using again a plus b whole square formula, where a value is uy and b value is pvy. So we can write it as u square y plus v square y plus 2 uy and py. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you can apply Cauchy's-Riemann equations for these two terms. Try to convert all the terms either in terms of x or in terms of y. So now I will convert all the y terms in terms of x. So here by using CR equations, what is CR equations? Ux is equal to py and vx is equal to minus uy. So but now I will substitute the value for this u square y, this v square y, and as well as this uy and vy. I will going to substitute these values here. So what you will get, this is equal to, right hand side I will write here, okay. First I will write this, that is u square x plus v square x plus 2 ux px, and now here plus u square I will write as it is. Substitute the value for u square y by using CR equations. Uy is equal to minus vx we can write. So if you substitute here, you will get minus square is equal to plus, so that you will get p square x. Substitute value for uy, and uy is equal to minus vx if you transpose minus to the left hand side. Similarly, plus p square, substitute value for v square y. Py is equal to ux, so v square y is equal to u square x. Then here 2u I will write as it is. Uy value is equal to minus vx, so minus I will write here, and this is px, and next term is v, and this vy value is equal to ux, where these two terms get cancelled. That is ux vvx, so that is ux vvx multiplying with 2, it has plus sign, this has minus sign, so both get cancelled. So now write down the remaining terms. What are the remaining terms here? So that is left hand side we have, so phi square is common, and that is equal to phi square x plus phi square y, and that is equal to here. Now collect the term containing u square and take u square common. The term containing u square from these two terms, if you take u square common, what are the remaining terms? Here we are left with u square x, and then plus p square x. Similarly, from these two terms, from these two terms you can take v square common. If you take v square common, here we are left with v square x plus u square x, and again from these two terms are common, so we can write it as u square x plus p square x, and then we are left with u square plus v square. But from equation 1, this is u square x plus v square x, right as it is. From equation 1, this value we can write it as phi square, and here in LHS we have phi square into phi square x plus phi square y, and both the sides phi square get cancels, and now we can write it as this is phi square x plus phi square y, and that is equal to u square x plus v square x. Now say this is equation number 4. But we know that f of z is equal to u plus iv. Then what is f dash z with respect to x? This is ux plus I 3x. This is f dash z. Then what is modulus of f dash z? Modulus of f dash z is equal to square root of u square x plus p square x. If you square on both the sides, what you will get? Mod f dash of z whole square is equal to, this is u square x plus p square x, and u square x plus p square x, this value if you substitute here, what you will get? That implies phi square x plus phi square y is equal to, what is this value? Mod f dash z whole square, and phi x whole square we can also write it as dou phi by dou x whole square plus, and this is equal to dou phi by dou y whole square, and is equal to mod f dash of z whole square. But what is the value for phi? Phi value is equal to u square plus v square, and that is mod f dash of z whole square. So totally we can write it as dou by dou x of mod f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of mod f of z whole square, and that is equal to mod f dash z whole square. So which is the required solution. Thank you.